So, is this shadow ban real? Why are your views decreasing? And what you could do to fix it and what you could do to avoid it in the future. That's what we'll be talking about today in this video. Stick around until the end because I'll be talking about a lot of stuff that the top TikTokers are not talking about and don't want you to know. So, welcome back to another dose of Joseph. If you don't know me, I grew on TikTok from 0 to over 810,000 followers in the matter of 40 days. And I teach the strategies that I've learned from the biggest TikTokers and also strategies that I've created myself. And I've helped tons of people get over 10,000 followers and even over 100,000 followers. If you end up liking this video, you'll definitely like all the other videos that I have in my TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I'll be linking down below in the description. And if by the end of this video you learned something, definitely like this video and subscribe because I make videos like this every other day. Send this to a friend or two that are also struggling to grow on TikTok and stay until the end because I always put the best tips towards the end to reward the people that stay. Also, if you want to join my free TikTok viral chat where I keep you guys up to date on the latest trends, and also if you want to watch the first 4 segments of my course for free, it's on my website doseofjoseph.co, and I'll be showing you exactly how to find that on my site and also how to get mentorship from me personally at the end of this video, so stick around. So before we get into this, I do want to address something. I had a lot of people messaging me in my Instagram DMs and also on TikTok and inform me about this video that Robert Benjamin made.
So the first person that I've helped grow via this method has been Dose of Joseph. Yes, that probably comes as a surprise to a lot of you guys, but yes, here's a screenshot when he was at 11,000 followers. Here's a screenshot when he was over 500,000 and he wanted to collab with me. Obviously, since then, we have digressed from each other. He just, I don't know, he wants to bash me, whatever the case is. That's the real thing. I helped him grow. The reason that he grew so fast, and this is gonna be nothing but compliments, the reason that he grew so fast is because 1, he incentivized engagement, and 2, he posted like crazy. He posts 30 to 40 times almost every single day. That is the key to his growth. That is it. He's incentivizing engagement. He's posting a ton. He figured that out. I helped him figure that out in the beginning, and he ran with that. And I'm really glad that he found my content because obviously it has helped change his life, and I could be nothing but happy for him that he has been able to take advantage of that. But if I did have a word of advice for him, he should probably slow down on the volume a little bit, not care so much about his TikTok followers because that's really not helping him at this point, and try to provide his audience with a lot more value.
And people are asking me if I ever bashed him or if there's been any beef or anything like that, and there never was any beef and I didn't bash him. To be honest, I did lose a little bit of respect for the guy because people did show me some of the stuff that he was saying, and I do have screenshots, I do have screen recordings and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna post it up here and I'm not gonna tell you guys to comment if you wanna see it or anything like that because that's not the point of this. I'm not trying to be petty or anything. I've credited Robert Benjamin multiple times throughout various YouTube videos, and I told you guys that a lot of his TikTok tips on YouTube have helped me a whole lot, and I did message him on Instagram to let him know that his YouTube videos did definitely help me, along with a lot of other TikTok people on YouTube that I've also messaged. I've learned from Robert Benjamin and a lot of other YouTubers that have talked about TikTok tips, and I've also come out with a lot of my own ideas that have been a big contributing factor on my quick growth on TikTok. So I'm not bashing anybody on YouTube, especially not the people that are helping other people. I might not agree with what other TikTok YouTubers are saying, but rightfully so. As you grow in anything, you're gonna get a lot of your own ideas and theories and learn new facts from trial and error, and that's natural. And Robert Benjamin, thank you for your advice on, posting less TikToks so that I can focus on other things. But personally, I believe that if I'm gonna help people grow on TikTok and keep people up to date on the latest trends and stuff, then I should continue to post on TikTok and keep growing so that I could stay up to date on the latest trends. But yeah, man, naturally, you're doing your thing, I'm doing my thing, and I'll leave it at that. Much love, man. Also, for the people that have been asking me, no, Robert Benjamin did not personally mentor me. I didn't buy his mentorship or any course or anything like that. So what is a shadow ban and is it real? A shadow ban is basically when you're posting on TikTok and since you first made your account, you're not really getting that many views, or you've gotten a lot of views in the past and now your views have dropped and you're not really getting many views. And people talk about shadow bans across all different social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and especially TikTok. And we call it a shadow ban because no one really knows if it's 100% true. So it's like a ban that happens in the shadows. People basically have to guess and wonder if it's actually true, if TikTok is actually putting a hold on someone's account and is actually hindering your growth. Now, from what I've seen in my experience from growing to 0 to over 850,000 followers and posting over 1,470 videos on TikTok, having my ups and my downs, I personally do not believe that shadow ban is real. I think that TikTok's algorithm has different ways to see if your account is worthy or not, or see if your videos are worthy or not to be put on the For You page, and that TikTok actually remembers statistics and data about your account and uses this data to decide if TikTok is actually going to push your videos out to new people or even push them out to your own followers. There's been a lot of controversy around this shadow ban, and I get messages every single day, literally over 100 messages every day asking to check their account to see if they're shadow banned. Now, instead of messaging me, let me just tell you what you can look for on your account and what the reasons might be that TikTok is actually holding your videos back and is not pushing you out to new people. So, funny story about this knock. I just want to tell you about it really quick because I thought it was pretty funny. I'll tell you this and we'll get right back to the video. So basically, my neighbors next door, every time they leave their apartment or enter their apartment, they slam the door like crazy. So I actually stepped out one time and I asked them politely if they could just close the door softly because it literally shakes the paintings on my wall and the mirror in my bathroom. So I asked them nicely once, they nodded, they said okay. And then after I asked them, they started slamming the door like crazy. Now obviously I can handle this situation a completely different route, but I'm not trying to get kicked out of my building or anything like that. So when they continued to slam the door more, me and my girlfriend just decided that it was best that we just email management in the building and let them know that these people have been slamming the door like crazy. And I hate to be those types of people, I really don't want to go that route, but honestly it was really just getting on our nerves and it seemed like they were just doing it to be spiteful. So when I heard that knock on the door, it sounded extremely aggressive, so I figured that they knew that we sent an email. So I got up quickly and went quickly to the door and was ready to fight because I thought it was the guy and I thought that he probably found out that we sent the email or something like that, and I was like, alright, I guess we gotta do this now. Turned out it was a false alarm. It was actually just our ottoman that we just got recently. That thing sitting over there with pillows on it. But we've never had any delivery people ever knock on the door like that. They usually just leave our packages downstairs in the mailroom. But yeah, I thought that was pretty funny. So let's get back to the video. So one reason, and this is gonna be the case for a lot of you guys, when you first make an account on TikTok, TikTok actually tests your account by pushing your videos out to more people to gather more data about your account. So if in those initial videos, people did not respond well on the For You page to your videos, TikTok is gonna be like, and they're not gonna show your stuff to more people. So if you have anywhere from like 0 to 300 followers and you've never really gotten more than like 200 to 300 views, then this is probably the case for you. And getting out of this and actually getting TikTok to actually boost your videos more and prove to TikTok that you're actually worthy to continue to put your stuff on the For You page is extremely difficult. And as I've told a lot of people, I highly recommend that you make a new account and just start from scratch. And I know that might be hard for a lot of you guys to hear because you've already posted a lot of videos, a lot of stuff that you're proud of. But honestly, if you're not getting views and you're not getting new followers, there's really no point in continuing to post on that account. Now, of course, some people could take this to the extreme and make 10 accounts every single time they get, 100 views. So I don't mean make a new account, post 5 videos. If they don't do good, make a new account, post 5 videos again. If you continue to get low views, then TikTok is not the problem, you're the problem. And you have to analyze your videos and see what it is that you're doing that is getting TikTok to not like your videos. I highly recommend that you guys go check out my 0 to 100K blueprint video that looks like this, and I'll be linking it right here so that you guys can see some of the best tips that I constantly promote all across my YouTube and even on my TikTok to grow on your TikTok and really get over 10K, over 100K followers very fast. So if you're one of those people that you think you need to make a new account, go ahead and watch that video and watch my other videos in my TikTok tips to go viral playlist here on YouTube that I said I'll link in the description, and you'll most likely grow way faster than you ever did before. So that's reason number 1. Second reason why you might be shadow banned is because you're violating community guidelines too much or you're posting content that's offensive. Now TikTok, just like other platforms, wants to protect their service and protect their app. That's why they have these guidelines. If you're posting videos on TikTok and you notice that they keep taking your videos down for violating the community guidelines, you need to be careful and you need to veer away from that stuff that you're posting. I've seen so many people get banned from using different features on TikTok, and I've also seen people get completely banned to where they can't even go in their account anymore and use TikTok. And then when that happens, you get put into a database of banned accounts, and whenever you try to make an account with your name, with your birthday, with your information, TikTok's gonna know that it's you again, and they're gonna easily just ban your account, likely within a couple weeks or even within a couple days. Sometimes you post regular content and it still gets banned for going against the community guidelines. In this case, I highly recommend that you appeal it on the TikTok app. There's been numerous times, especially having over 1,400 videos, that TikTok has taken down my videos and there was absolutely nothing wrong with my videos. I read over the guidelines, I saw that I did nothing wrong. So I appealed it and they actually put my video back and I was able to see it on my page again. But if you're posting something and you see that it's getting taken down and you know why it's getting taken down, do not post that same video again. Do not post any videos that are similar to that video, and be more careful. This could be one of the factors that your account is not getting that many views. Reason number 3, and this has happened to me a couple times on my account. Whenever you've grown an account on TikTok within a particular niche or category, and then you try to branch off into other categories, your audience is not gonna really respond well to that because they're used to a certain type of content from you. So your views when you start to try out new things is gonna be a little bit lower than usual, or maybe even significantly lower than usual. And honestly guys, this is okay. There's been plenty of times where I've tried different things and noticed that my views were really low, but then when I kept posting it and kept kept posting it, I started to attract new followers that liked that stuff. And TikTok acknowledged that I was in another category and started to push my stuff in front of new people on the For You page that are interested in that different stuff. So guys, it's okay to try new things. I've had a lot of people that have copied my videos like to the T, like word for word, and have grown super duper fast and decided that they don't want to make those types of videos that I make and go into another category on TikTok, like singing for instance. And they were able to do that successfully. But at first, they didn't get that many views. But once you make that switch and TikTok recognizes it, obviously over time of you posting the new videos that you want to post, then your views will start to go back up. So if you've had successful posts in the past and you're trying new stuff, just know that I've personally seen a lot of people switch niches, switch categories, and have done it successfully even though they weren't getting a lot of views or likes in the beginning. Reason number 4, and this is going to be the last reason, you're posting too much of the same stuff. Maybe you're within a certain niche or category and you keep posting videos that are just too similar. Or I've seen this before too, you keep posting literally the same exact videos. It's okay to post the same videos. I say it all the time. Repost your stuff, there's nothing wrong with that. But you can't abuse it. You can't post the same thing back to back in one day or post the same thing back to back on different days. You have to spread it apart 3-4 days or maybe even a week apart at the very least. When I mentioned before that TikTok actually gathers data and remembers stuff, TikTok remembers that your followers are not watching your stuff anymore. So if you continue to post the same stuff over and over again and your followers are like, okay, this person just spams, or if they start to scroll past your stuff without liking or even watching, TikTok is gonna be like, okay, this person doesn't wanna see this content anymore. Or if you have a lot of followers, TikTok's gonna be like, okay, this large group of people doesn't wanna watch this person's stuff anymore. And then boom, you get an immediate engagement drop and you're gonna have to earn that engagement back, and it takes a lot of time. So those are 4 reasons why you might be having low views on your TikTok account. And I also wanna address something else. I've noticed some people say, oh, you have over 800,000 followers, but you don't get that many views or you don't get that many likes. Guys, from the very beginning, I've been posting so many videos every single day. And although it might not look on the surface like I'm getting a lot of views, you guys need to realize that some of the videos that I post, I know are not gonna get a whole lot of views. Some videos that I post on TikTok are primarily for promotional purposes only. And I understand that when I post a video like that, it's gonna get a low amount of views. And sometimes it even hinders the views of my future posts. And I'm willing to personally sacrifice that for a small period of time. Because when I do this, I do get more subscribers on my YouTube. I do get more followers on my Instagram. And I know exactly how the algorithm works. And I know that I could post certain types of content and get my engagement right back up, like you guys have seen me do countless times. Although you might see a couple videos that have low amounts of views, do yourself a favor, scroll down in my account and you'll see that there are a lot of videos that get tons of views. There are a lot of videos that get tons of likes. Every single day I get a couple videos that actually go viral. And if you look at my analytics here, you could see that I'm literally getting millions of views weekly. So for you guys that DM me or message me and say things like, oh, you don't even have that many views, you don't have that many likes, do a little bit more digging. Actually take a look and you'll see that I'm actually doing really well. Also, as a side note, guys, I do sell courses, I do sell mentorship. For those of you that really want to take the next step, the next leap for your account to really grow as fast as possible, if you decide to get the mentorship, I create very comprehensive spreadsheets telling you exactly what you should do every single day. I create like a regimen for you. And I also give you lists of accounts that are similar to yours that are doing really good so that you can look at those accounts and actually model your account after theirs. And then my course has over 100 videos that are jam-packed with the best tips, the best strategies that I've used to grow my account from 0 to over 850,000 followers over the course of 47 days. So if you want that, you can actually access that on my website, doseofjoseph.co. Also, if you want to try out my course for free, I give you the first 4 segments completely free on my website. So all you have to do is click the Access Courses button and scroll down to where it says TikTok Explosion Course, open it up and click Free Preview. You can also access my TikTok viral chat for free, where I keep you guys up to date on the latest trends and strategies and stuff that I'm using to grow as fast as possible. And I even go live in that chat sometimes. You can access that on the website as well. Now guys, you don't have to spend any money on this stuff. That's perfectly fine with me. It's just for those of you that want to take that next step. But I have over 20 videos about TikTok here on my YouTube, so you can go ahead and use those. I appreciate you guys watching, especially those of you that have been here with me since the beginning. And if you like this video, definitely drop a like below and subscribe, because I post videos like this every other day. And if you start to see growth on your TikTok, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I message everybody back that's following me. Also comment, I made it to the end, because I want to see who my loyal viewers are. And if you have any questions about this video or questions about your TikTok, write those questions down below. I answer every single comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!